Alright, guys. I'm looking for buys on GJ. Probably right now, actually. 30-minute candle close is very bullish. This is the first 30-minute candle, hourly candle. I'm looking for buys to around these targets right here. About like a 9 pip stop for like a 20 pip gain on this trade. Yeah, 15 close bullish as well. 30-minute close bullish. The previous 1 hour was bullish. I'm expecting us to continue up here to 136.366 and eventually later on, well, yeah, this target actually, 451, and then eventually 136, 137, 148 should get tapped today. Yeah, GG buys are very clean. What up, guys? So what's up? Everyone getting one kind of flips bullish here? Get in. Yeah, so GJ, pretty much what happened in London was we found some type of support. Yesterday we did a very good job of keeping our stops to a minimum on GG trades. I think a lot of trades were under 10 pips. Yeah, so we found some type of support here during London last night around at this area, and this is kind of like a fake out. Fake out because GG actually broke below the range here. It broke below this range, and then I think around 3 o'clock it came back into the range on this candle, and if this filled the range, go up, right? So now it has a 7% chance of continuing up further. I'm expecting with this area, once this candle closes, it's not officially break above it, the hourly, but the 30-minute already broke above it. I'm expecting just clean traffic looking left, coming up to 136, 423. This should be a very nice move today. She's looking very volatile today, so expect a lot of moves today. Or a lot of entries you can, enter off of. It's going to be very, very volatile today. GG just fell off the bullish here. I'm about to get in buys here. Need literally one more. There you go. Getting buys here, guys. For GJ. Record. Here we go. Got buys here, guys. On GJ. Stops are 8 pips. Actually, 9 pips. And TP is about 26 pips. 27 pips. 26 pips. But yeah, stops are here because if GJ were to break these lows, then obviously we're gonna probably continue back down here. So the range. But as long as the support gets held and respect this low, we should be going up. Yeah, that's it. Looking for buys here on GG today. What's gold gonna do here? Yeah, I think gold might just range off for a bit, guys. you guys looking at your gold, just be careful because gold has reached that point where right now it's might just range for a bit. It needs to break out this range for entries. I'll say around this range. Looking at it on 30-minute, on a 1 hour, that's probably the cleanest range. 4 hour, actually, yeah, 4 hours clean as well. Range is pretty clean. So I think once it breaks above like 1960, you can look for buys at for gold until like potentially 1980. But until then, you might just be stuck in this range for a bit. And below here will take us back down to like 1931. So just, if you guys are looking for gold, that's what I'm looking at. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, see how like my stops are like the 1 hour low? Pretty much is this low because you see how the first 30-minute candle closed? So if the first 30-minute candle closed bullish, which is this candle, you can anticipate that this is the hourly low for price to drive up. Price shouldn't break this low. So that's why my stops there. It's like because you don't know where it's gonna close, obviously, right? Because we have like 30 minutes left for it to close. We have like a whole hour, like 30 minutes left. So if the market's giving us clues on the smaller time frame before when I actually close the 15-minute, 30-minute that it's about to close, it closed bullish and it made a low, then you can anticipate that that's the low for price to drive up. So some of my stops are there. Also because the stops are at the support level too. So if this were to break, it'll come down further. Yeah, but everything's just bullish right now. 4 hours bullish, days bullish. Daily broke the highs of yesterday's. Filled that wick. Never broke the lows, right? So yeah, looking at daily. Check my Instagram post. I mentioned buys till around these levels here. Clean traffic looking left. So top power I'm gonna look for today. Just buys. Yo, we have FOMC today. FOMC at 2 o'clock. Yeah, this candle, guys, I'm expecting obviously as long as you expect this low, I'm expecting this candle to probably come up, fill this wick, and continue bullish past this wick. These candles usually have a very high chance of playing out. These candles specifically, you guys been actually long enough, you guys will know that. Probably my favorite candle to enter off of. Nice wick fill candle. So yeah, until we break these lows, guys, I am bullish. But once you break these lows, you can't really look for buys until we actually break above these levels again. So it's like this, for example, if this were to happen, uh, if you were to break the lows here, like this, then what will happen is we're probably continuing back down further. So to look for buys later, you're gonna have to wait for price to actually break above this key level over here. So obviously once it retraces back up, like this, then you can look for buys going up once it breaks that level. So yeah, I'm not gonna look for sells though. If it breaks this low, I'm still gonna look for buys. I'll be patient today, guys. But yeah, until it breaks that low, should be going up here. Should be heading up. I think whoever's up for London last night caught nice buys. 1 hour had nice buys. Like everything just had nice buys. Like 1 hour had nice buys. 30 minute had nice buys. 15 minute had nice buys. Pretty clean. I think once it's kind of flips bullish, guys, GG could rock it here and fulfill that wick fill. I guess you can say that this is the low created for the 30-minute candle. Potential liquidity wick down, go up. Didn't break the lows, so looking good. Looking real good here. Classic break and retest. Yep, so I just you can identify as that. The reason why I don't wait for retests is because whenever I wait for a retest, um, it would depend though. Like for example, like if I were waiting on a retest on a 4 hour time frame, I'll look at the 1 hour time frame for bullish candle closures in between to go up, right? For example, like this wick, for example, this wick that you have right here. Let's say this is a 4 hour time frame. This wick was probably a bullish candle closure on like the 1 hour. Like somewhere in 1 hour time frame, you had a bullish candle closure at this support to go up. But on candles like these, it's just like, whoa, GJ wick down. This is 30 minute, right? But like no candles closed bullish in between here, unless it was like the 5 minute or 1 minute. So what I'm trying to say is like on the candles that have like on break and retest, whenever like pretty much this, you broke above this range and retesting it. It's like you never know how far down this candle's gonna drive before it pushes up. So that's why I don't really wait for retests like that. I would just anticipate that okay, pressure go up as long as it respects this low, and I'll answer off of this candle opening.
Yo,
Yo, what up, bro?
what's good, bro?
I'm in GG buys here, yo.
Yeah, same. I got a second entry actually. So I went down to the minute time frame,
A
and like I
minute?
waited for like yeah, I waited for a bullish minute to close, and I got it at 136 100,
Mm-hmm.
and then it went right back up after the minute close bullish. So I got a better entry as well.
Yeah, yeah. Wait, what was the answer again?
136 100. after the 1
Oh
minute
yeah, and the low
yeah,
retest, the quick wick.
yeah.
Yep.
I'm up like 10 pips on that second
Hmm?
position. That was nice call though.
Pretty clean. Yeah, now all we need for GG guys is just for this to be really clean, we have to break this high. Once we break that high, it's gonna go, phew, you know.
Zoom.
Just for those that missed it, reason why I entered buys was because the day time frame is currently bullish, right? Like I said in Instagram story yesterday, I sent, we should be heading up towards this target. Clean traffic looking left. So this day candle, the previous one closed bullish at this support. We made a support here, and we can actually close bullish, and we closed bullish above the range too. So this candle closed bullish, and now it's actually breaking the highs. So now looking left, you have no clean traffic coming up to this target today. That's the daily time frame, right? The 4-hour time frame, still bullish looking left. Looks like it's gonna head to that target. 1 hour looking clean to that target as well. So pretty much just enter the trade is based off the daily time frame, especially by just using the smaller time frame to enter off of 15, for example, or 1 hour, 30. Especially at 30 though. Because like whenever like a 15-minute candle breaks a low, for example, this candle broke a low. It broke that low and then it closed bullish. Meaning this is a liquidity wick for price to drive up. And then the next candle came down as well and never broke the lows. Respected it. Now this candle should be able to shoot up to that target cleanly. Once you break these highs, it's gonna be a GG. GG's in the chat.
I'm closing half in my position in the first one.
Nice. You worked it?
Yeah.
Where's the boy Jimmy and Sam at?
Uh, they're
Whenever
lagging.
Jimmy is late to the stream. I don't know how. I don't know, bro. This guy better be okay. Hope he's okay. It's not a good sign when Jimmy's late on the stream.
Sleep.
Cause he doesn't sleep that late. He wakes up hella early. What's the target? Look right here, the green target. That's my target. 136, 419. Daily target is up here. 137, 148. Currently 5 pips in profit. I'm not gonna move my stops to entry just yet. I'm gonna wait a bit, guys. Um, Actually, we tapped this minor resistance looking left. Yeah, I think move your entry stops entry here on this trade because once we flip bearish, if you flip bearish, we're probably gonna be coming back down further. So moving my stops entry here. This kind of should flip bearish now if it wants to go up. It already made a low in the liquidity wick, and we entered at the bottom of that wick, the body candle. So if price were to flip bullish, it's probably continue back down. And also looking left, guys, there's some resistance here. If you were to look at this, resistance, more resistance up here. So yeah, that's why I move my stops entry here. Why is that your target? I just explained it on the daily time frame. If you just go back a little bit, you'll see why. I explained it on my Instagram story yesterday, and my just a few moments ago here. I'll show you. Why can't the Instagram just pop up? Here? Story out. Pretty much. You have business level. Daily time frame on 2J. Trading simple. Breakdown simple. Clean traffic looking left. You see that bullish candle close, that highlighted, that green highlighted area looking left. Clean traffic. This is daytime from yesterday, right? As long as we respect this low down here, we should be able to push up towards that target. And daytime frame shows exactly that. Look at it. Looking left. This has no traffic. We should be able to drive up. This daytime frame made a liquidity wick yesterday, and now once it flipped bullish, it just continued bullish. And now it broke the high. It should be a clean target to this target easily today. 136, 423 should get tapped, no doubt. 137 and 148, however, I'm expecting that because so pretty much I'm not gonna put my full position running. So 137, 148. I'm gonna leave a runner going to the like around these targets. I'm probably gonna close like majority of my profits up this at this target, and then leave a runner going all the way down up to this target. Because if you look at GJ, GJ made a low right here, which is now a form support, right? So if this support holds and this is the resistance, price should once it retests the high at this resistance, it has a higher chance of continuing out further up. Because if you look at this on GJ, if you look at this, just this alone, just this one, like around, I'll highlight it. Just this alone. Look at this. With whatever's in this box, just look at it. What do you guys see here? Bullish candle, pullback, drawdown. I mean, pullback, not drawdown, pullback. What do you guys see? So in that two bearish candles here, what it is a wick fill candle because you have this huge candle going up on GJ. Let's say this is the weekly time frame. You have this huge candle going up on GJ, and then all of a sudden now you have three bearish candles back to back closures. So instead of like this, it looks like this now. Wick fill candle because you had a resist. You had what was called you were matched up now. You have a high that was made, a low that was made, a body candle closure. So these wicks, all it is a pullback on the time frame for a wick fill on a weekly time frame. So what should happen this week is we should be able to continue out bullish and fill that wick and continue out further. So some of my targets up there. But yeah, that's why looking at this, that's why I say whenever price retests the high second time around, it has a higher chance of continuing up. Why? Because it's a wick fill coming up, and every time price breaks the high of a wick fill, it continues up further. For example, on a 1 hour time frame right now, it's doing exactly that. Or a 30-minute time frame. That's what I just did. Well, it should do. I hit entry here, guys, but I'm gonna look for more buys as we close in 6 minutes here. But yeah, if I were going to a daily time frame, weekly time frame, you guys will see what I'm talking about. Remember, I just drew it out. This exact move. I said how these daily candles are just a wick fill on a daily time frame on a weekly. Going to weekly now, that's what it is. You have that candle with a nice wick fill, and now this candle should be able to fill that wick. I saw this candle before I even checked the weekly. I already knew the weekly had this candle up because the way the daily is showing me this and these three bearish candles pull back. So yeah. I think I mentioned Sunday that I was bullish this week to 138, and we needed a bullish candle closure as support because we ended Wednesday, Thursday, Friday last week with bearish candles, and today yesterday we actually closed bullish. So I think as long as this level gets held, we should be able to push up today. What up, bros?
What up? What up?
Yeah, bro.
Bro, my alarm didn't go off, bro.
Oh, okay, never mind. Straight, bruh.
I was looking at my phone. I'm like, wait, what? That shit was full blast. Still in town.
GJ buys are so clean, bro.
Yeah,
So clean.
yeah, then
I hit my entry just now. We'll get in like 5 minutes here.
that retrace was nasty though.
Which one?
Right before it flew again.
The
It
Wick.
was,
Yeah, what's it called?
it did a pin bar. Right there.
And I got in on this candle, not that one.
It's this one.
Yeah, this one did it.
Yeah, that one. That was
Yeah,
I
that
waited.
one broke the lows, and then it came up.
Yeah,
That was like
waited
a.
for that one, and then went in for entry. I'm gonna clear my thing now.
Yeah, it was clean. Yeah, like, oof. 137, 148, 136, 423. We get tapped. You guys are selling GJ today. You might have some issues selling. GJ is very bullish right now.
All that good news that came out last night too. It's gonna be a late kicker type thing. Oh, it's gonna be crazy. I'm gonna eat real quick.
So I'm gonna wait for this hourly candle to close, guys. This hourly candle. Potentially you can get a nice, very nice wick fill. Something like this. If it closes down a little bit more, you can continue up like this. I'm hoping this kind of retraces a little bit now in the next 2 minutes. Come look like this, and then I'll enter a nice buy with nice like 7 pip stops or whatever it is. Just look left. That's all you gotta do is look left, guys. Look left. That's all you gotta do. Four hours clean traffic. Absolutely demolished.
Only problem is that
Absolutely shit ton. I was saying COD, I was showing on kids, and I was like, absolutely shit ton.
looking
What's up?
but yeah, the problem with GTAC right now is like if you look left, all those wicks in traffic, that's the only main problem, bro.
On what time frame?
The 4 hour, you see, on the left.
Oh, back
all those
there.
wicks,
I'm looking at
all
this.
those long wicks,
Yeah.
all those
But like,
traffic.
hey, look at the wicks though. You gotta look deep inside of the wicks. What happened every time we came back in his range? Price came up to this target. Look at that wick. See the wick tapped it. Wicks tapped it. These candles just went straight up and straight down. Boom, boom. So every time we came into range here, what I'm trying to say is we were able to fill it. Cause like yeah, we did close the wicks here, but we were able to tap that away, right? So this kind of could just do the exact same. Cause yeah, man, think look at the daily as well. Pretty clean. Pretty clean, bro. I guess you just listened to me today. I said I wanted to close with a nice wick, and it's doing just as that. Now it just needs to close above 136, and we should be good to go. Yeah, 30 minutes gonna close bearish because the 1 hour's gonna have a nice wick fill. Same thing for daily. Remember daily time frame I said earlier? these 3 daily candles closed bearish for a nice wick fill on a weekly time frame, and now it's continuing up, continuing up. The one hour has closed above this range. If it doesn't, I'm not gonna look for buys just yet. And looks like not. So I'm gonna wait out, guys. I'm gonna wait for maybe the next 15-minute candle or something to look to enter buys off of. This candle did close bullish, which is a good sign, but I wanted it to close above this wick. This candle also has no bond wick here, so this is when price opened up, it just shot up, meaning that this could be a lower high for price to drive back down. But let's see what happens here. Maybe it has so much momentum. Who knows? Let's see how the first 15-minute candle closes. FX Jumbo. Where's the boy Sam at? Yo, was Sam late yesterday?
No, he didn't even come yesterday.
I swear he did come yesterday. He said BRB in 10 minutes, remember?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they never came.
He never came back yet.
This man is like the doctor. It's gonna take two. Two what? Years, months? It's gonna take two.
Bro, cause yesterday,
it's gonna take two.
I remember the exact words yesterday. I have it recorded as well. He's like, I'm gonna show up every day this week. Cap. I knew it. I'm like, bro, oh wow, you actually here, Sam? He's like, yeah, I'm here. I'm like, you're not gonna be up for next Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturdays. You're definitely not gonna be up for the live streams. So what are you talking about? Remember, just doing exactly like I said, guys. I guess it's respecting everything today. This kind of when it opened up, it went straight up, then make a lower wick, which means that it's making a lower high for maybe for price to come down a little bit. Maybe if it comes down to make a lower wick and then it comes back up, I'll look for buys. But until then, no buys for me just yet. Close the 15 close pretty strong, but bearish. The top of the range. Close at a resistance too.
Very lower week.
There it is. I guess UJ is just like, you know, you're done. I'm gonna respect everything you say today. I think if you enter above here, it's like a nice 11 pip stop. It's not bad. Now it's like it stopped moving. And I was like, okay, done. Now where to next? Okay, now GJ, I want you, son. I want you to push up to this target before breaking the lows here. Okay? Because if the further you come down, GJ, this wick, the bigger my stops have to be once price is up to here. So keep it where it is and just drive up from here. It's that simple, alright? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Zoom! Yo!
Abracadabra.
Like,
Abracadabra.
I whispered to the markets, bro. I whispered to the markets.
I whisper. You gotta say the word lisper so it could be funnier.
I'm confused. Say it again?
I say it with a lisp because that dude had a freaking
Who?
lisp. The signal guy.
Wait, someone said that before?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
This old signal provider, bro. This man had a whole lot.
Oh, Ref Wayne?
I forgot.
Is he African?
I don't know.
Oh, I'm probably not.
But yeah, like every time you put in a voice message, he'd be like, "All right, move your TP up a little." I'm like, nigga, what? List bad boy. I can't understand you. Get your tongue out your mouth, bro. And spit on the mic when he put voice messages, bro. I'm like, what did this man say?
Move your stop loss to
I'm glad there's fucking missiles in the background and shit. What the hell is happening here? Fly mode, baby.
Attention, attention. Please move your stop loss to entry.
I'm glad that's how it sounds like. You know, like when you play Call of Duty and you're playing as the militia team. That's exactly how that man mic sound. I'm like, what you just say, bro? Sure.
You suck. Oh, guys. Oh my God.
Yo.
GJ is listening to me today, bro.
You
Literally,
look at the 5-minute time frame.
I don't know what it is, bro. Man, I said 1 hour enhancement close. The only thing I didn't do was close above this level. But man, I'm like, GJ, you had no ball and wick. Come down, make that ball and wick. Come back up. It's doing that. So then I'm like, okay, now GJ, please continue up here for breaking the lows. Start going up a little bit. All you gotta do now, GJ, is break above this high, and I'll be in for buys. And you got me. This target. But GJ, you gotta listen to me, bro. You gotta really listen to me. You know, you can't flip back bearish here. Yeah. Like that.
Just like that.
Yeah. Just stay above this range here. Stay above. Now you gotta stay above 136, 135. Yeah. Keep going. A little more. And just straight up push up. That's all you gotta do. Don't break these lows here. Just straight up push up.
You doing a buy stop or a market X?
Alright, market X around that target. But yeah, it's pretty much a buy stop. Same thing, right? Buy it there. Damn, Ant been active on the streams lately. Nice to see you active here, bro.
I love Ant. That's a dead boogeyman.
It's the gorilla man.
Bro,
It's
if
the
you know
workout boy.
pictures of the dead boogeyman, that should be 100 times funnier, bro. The dead boogeyman.
The Undertaker?
No. It was like someone blew their account, and then Ant was like, "That's a dead boogeyman," and then like, bro, I could not stop laughing the whole day, bro.
What kind of hate is? That's funny as fuck, bro.
It's a dead boogeyman.
Now I got time, cuz now I got time. Where's that from? Jimmy, you know where that's from? Cause now I got time. Bro, what's that? Where's that from? Oh my god, bro. Cause now I got time. Where's that from? What song? Oh, Trippy Red. It's like, cause now I got time, cuz. You guys know that video? The little. Oh my days, GJ. GJ is just listening today. It's just doing everything as expected here. Oh my days.
Look at this. And so.
Guys, I think I'm answering bias here. Actually, I'm gonna wait for a break a high of 15 minute. Right there. Yeah, stops in the trade's gonna have to be 11 pips, guys. It's gonna have to be 11 pips. But that's fine. Hey!
So.
Hey, man, what was I gonna say? I was gonna say something. Let's see something. Bro, what was I gonna say, bro?
You good? You want to practice on, bro? Your memory's short.
Nah, bro. I'm not mad. Wait, what?
No,
happened here?
practice some.
What did I say? What happened?
It's dead boogeyman.
You are something special.
Look at that. Boy, if you don't get out your feelings, we are a Forex live stream. Look at that.
I'll take you on a stop loss spree.
Look at that. Bruh, hell no, bruh. She break it up with you, bruh.
My God, why'd you do that to me?
Look at that, boy.
Dun, 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 dun. If I had one wish.
Oh, dude. 130, 138 this week, yeah.
Yeah, I
We
see
break
JJ
this.
break above the highest here. We can probably pop bars until 136, 423. Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe we might be breaking a resistance today. A strong resistance at 136, 600, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think E. Uh.
Look at that.
E. Ooh. Oh man, she's funny, bro. This is probably the funniest
138
live stream, guys. You guys could probably hop onto, man.
138 if we break.
138, yeah.
138 this week. If we remain above this 136
Bro, I
area.
think for us to reach 138 though, for real.
Yeah.
I know I mentioned that target Sunday, but like I was expecting Monday, Tuesday to actually close bullish, and it didn't. It took till like today. So like 138, I think we really need a big push today. Like
Yeah.
if we close like at like 137 today, then 138 could pop Thursday, Friday. But we really need today's like that day that we really need to push.
Bro,
It's
just
that
like,
day.
Today, I dead ass seeing this 136, 600 getting broken. Okay, all this momentum that's about to kick in,
Mhm.
like, what's that? A few, 30 more minutes? Not 30,
Mhm.
40 something more minutes. Basically, NY open. Because, one, like the thing that you said a while back, momentum from NY usually pushes the direction of whatever trend it is.
Yep.
Yeah. So, yeah, I bet for that. You looking at it's gonna be like yesterday. It's gonna be like yesterday
Yeah.
when that late kick in. That shit was crazy.
I think it's gonna be an early move today, bro. I think there's a lot of
Yeah,
volume
it's
kicking in
gonna be
right
an
now.
early move today.
Yeah.
Yesterday that shit was crazy.
Yeah, yesterday was kind of late. What time did the move happen yesterday?
I was like
I don't understand.
10:30,
Nothing even
11.
happened yesterday. Not much happened.
Yeah, it was like 10:30, 11 where that move happened. I'm like, what? A Judas swing in the middle of the day? Looking at, bro, I can't believe I used to call that. That
Where?
used to be my move back then. That's why I used to name it. But I'm like, bro, it's just I call it a new name now. That's the whoopty right there.
That's the woofy whoop right there, boy.
It's two versions, bro. I got 3 plays drawn out on my whiteboard.
Which ones, bro? I got them by here, guys. By the way.
It's my favorite 3 plays.
What are they? Why are your
Alright.
3 plays, bro?
All right, it's like what just happened. So price drops like crazy, right? And then finds a support, like a strong support, and
Mhm.
just straight up flies. But I wait till it breaks the middle candle,
Mhm.
and then going for a buy. And the other one, it's like it's basically like calling a top.
Mhm.
But hell, that shit clean as fuck. It's a sell move.
I know what you're talking about. This is what you're talking about right here.
That's what happened.
I'm a
That's
predict the
what,
future here. This is what you're talking about right here. So you have, for example, you have a bullish move going up.
hold on.
Boom.
Wait. No. It's like this.
Hold on. I got you. Yeah, bullish move going up, right? And then all of a sudden you have this, and from here, the Excel's coming down, right? That's what you're talking about.
No. Yeah. What?
The
That's
retest of
what I was
lows.
just-
That bearish candle right here.
Yeah, I go in like after the top of the candle.
Mhm.
And next candle when it drops, when it breaks the 30 low,
Mhm.
and then it just like straight up just waterfall. That's one of my favorite plays. And this other one, I can't speak on the other one. That's top secret right there. That's like it barely happens, but when it happens, I'm on go. Cause that's basically like a news move. My secret play.
Hey guys, I got on buys here. GG did all that I asked for, and now it's just time to execute. GJ when it opened up had no bond wick, came back up, mirror bond wick. I'm like, okay, maybe now you gotta push up to break these highs. I'm looking for buys, and GG did that because these highs right here are like the 50 and 30-minute bearish kind of highs. So as long as price respects this level, we should be heading up today towards this target. So yeah, now it's time to. Okay, anyways, GG just hit stops here. GG broke below this 15-minute candle here. This 15-minute candle did close bullish, and now it broke below that candle. So what do you guys think is gonna happen now? We're probably gonna pop back down. So yeah, stops have been hitting this trade. Lows have been broken here. So I think what's gonna happen now? The 1 hour actually hasn't even broken the lows yet here. At this level. Let's see. Me looking for buys now will have to be maybe the 30-minute candle closure if you close bullish or something. But I think if GG is breaking the 15-minute lows here, price has a high chance of continuing further down. It's just that the 1 hour hasn't even broken the lows yet. So let's see. Until the 1 hour break the lows, technically we should be still heading up here. I actually should have put my stops there instead of the current candle. But I was kind of anticipating that this is the hourly low of the current candle, so that's why I put my stops there, not the previous candle. You guys know what I'm saying? But yeah, we broke that low, so let's see what happens here. Because if you do break back in the range here, guys, if you do break back in this range, we're probably gonna pop back down to this target, these levels down here. So let's see. This level of support needs to be held at 136, 101 for us to go up. Yeah, I think once the 1 hour once the 1 hour breaks the low here, you can then yourselves come back into range. Me personally, I'm probably not gonna look for sells. I think once like we break once we actually get a closure in a range, I'm gonna look for maybe sells coming down to these levels. But overall, like I'm still bullish for a day. Daily time frame still bullish, 4 hours still bullish. But I think once GG breaks, if GG were to break these lows here, you have nice sells here coming down to minimum this target. Because it's kind of like a fake out after. Because you have a resistance, you have a support. GG breaks above the range, this candle. Now it's coming back into range. What do you think's going to happen after? No, it's going down. Jimmy, you trading out FOMC today?
What?
FOMC.
Hell the fuck no.
I think gold might just range and US30 guys might just range for a little bit until FOMC. That's usually what happens on days like these, like FOMC days.
It's super big day, bro.
You get a range day, and then when FOMC hits, zoom. I remember the one time, I think it was last July, bro. US30 went up like 10k pips within like 20 seconds.
Bro.
I'll show you guys the day. It was the craziest day of my life. Where is it?
To buy his first Lamborghini. This man bought the Urus that day.
Like right here, bro. Let's see. When was the last FOMC last year? I think it was
It's Google.
July 31st. How did I know? Right here. July 31st. I just knew it. I knew that was this day. Okay, let's go to July 31st.
Dun, 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 dun.
It was right here, bro. These were the this is the FOMC but sells that we called last year. Look at that. Oh my days. Holy shit. This is FOMC last year this month. So what do you guys think is gonna happen for the month of July again? What's up?
What's the FOMC mean again?
Um
I forgot. Can you look for me, my friend?
It is it's rate cuts. Rate cuts, yeah. That's what it is.
Shouldn't be bad.
But like, if you want like the FOMC, is I forgot what it means. FOMC exactly. I think it's like first statement of like I know it's rate cuts on but I forgot Federal Open Market Committee.
Wow. All right. Yeah, it's gonna be bad this year for sure. Again.
This month,
Part
you mean?
2 of last year, bro.
This month. It happens 8 times per year.
But yeah, it shouldn't be bad. Super bad. Cause I've been paying attention to the news. You know, like stocks going up and shit.
Hmm.
The virus, and then some other shit, which shit that happened in China. China, the trade deal. Where they cut that shit.
The Fed's not ready to make yeah, so they're probably gonna leave the same rates then. The Fed's not ready to make any regular changes or aggressive changes here. So they're probably gonna leave the same rates, guys. So nothing may happen. Because I believe the 31st last year, when that huge we came down that day, I think they cut the rates. Let's check. Yeah, they.
Last time.
Hold on. July 31st, 2019. Oh, they kept the same rates.
Yeah, this year they might. Yeah. Well, not this year. This time might be bad again.
I forgot why I drove down last year. I remember reading about it. I mean, they did say this year they're not happy with the economy, but they're not willing to cut rates just yet. So, let's see. See what happens at 2 o'clock, guys. If you guys are trading it, just be careful. Know that 2 o'clock will be very volatile. You might see this.
I will be full margin on gold. That's all I got to say.
Me too, bro. Full margin. 100%.
It's like, I don't trade after goddamn 10. Crazy, man.
1 hour never broke the lows here. Tough scenes. 15's cliff and bearish here. This is that GG has been breaking hella lows lately. Breaking hella lows. Coming back up. Hella highs. Coming back down.
What do you want from me? What do you want from me? JJ, talk to me.
Yeah, I should put my stats to 1 hour low, man. 16 pips. Yeah. Too much risk there. Yeah, I think gold's gonna come down here to 1950. The issue comes when people call selves down to like 1909, 1900 with pure bearish bullish candles. You know.
Why though?
They still bullish. For us to break that, like, you know, you're pretty much predicting this whole count coming down. Like,
all I've been looking for in gold is just straight buys. Like yeah, I took like two
No, like yeah, like sells do make
bad buys.
sense. For
Yeah.
example, like sells did make sense. Like right here, just forward candle. Like we're expected to come back in a range here. Like it came back in a range, closed bearish. But when candles are closing like in the range here, and you're just calling targets at 1909 or like whatever, this is like, you know, at this point you're just playing, you're just going off your emotions, man. You know, you're calling targets off your emotions. Like, oh, I feel like it's gonna come down to here. Yeah, I don't know, like
people would I think, but not like this is why. You know?
like sure, I'm looking at sells coming on gold coming down to like 1950 though. This is like 4 pips away. Like this target, that's very logical. Or like at 1953. When you start calling like 1909, you know, with pure bullish candles, that's when it does make sense. That's when it's like, you know.
Once I seen this dude say it's going back to the 1800s, I just deleted Telegram app. 1800? Are you fucking serious? Are you dumb?
Like sure, it could go
Something
there.
not
It
clicking.
could go there. Just that, like,
I told
when
you,
daily
something not
candles are
clicking,
closing
man.
bullish, what do you expect, man? Today, like
But
shit.
you think this one thing is like the missile strike situation, or it just went down all over again overnight? Hell no. Gold been pushing for damn near like 2 weeks already.
Yeah, literally, daily candle has no bearish candle closures. Today might be the first one, but let's see. Still, guys, still doesn't mean it's gonna sell off with a bearish candle, one bearish candle closure. It could come down to like maybe this if it does close bearish. Until then, man, you can't really predict the future like that, man. Can't really do that.
Your account's on me a dead boogeyman. That's all I gotta say. That's a new shit now. Damn, GJ is pushing, baby. Let's get it.
Yep.
How's that not a wall bang? What type of bull?
Yeah, 1 hour lows would have been respected on GJ. Previous 1 hour low got respected. Flipping bullish now.
Yeah, this is one play that I'm working on to try to get better at and not fall for. My John screen real quick. Real quick. It's like this. It's like boom, 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 right? Look, right here, I go in for a sell because you know I'm used to double top, so it does this. It breaks a little bit below, and then just.
Yeah, cause you know what that is. Leave it on your screen. Here, I'll show it. Oh, here,
No,
I draw it up. I draw it up.
No, I got you.
You have this.
Oh,
Delete it. Delete that. Here, it looks like this. So it is.
so
If you didn't know. Why? Okay, there you go. Look, this is what it is. Boom. Right.
yeah.
Continuation. Then you have a bearish candle. Closure. Right.
Yeah.
So like this. So, and then all of a sudden you have, you know, continuation back down, and then price breaks down here. So what do you have here? You have that exactly what you just drew. You have that resistance. And then you have that support. So you see how you said how it goes back up after? It's a fake out. Because price comes back into range after, like this. And then once it comes back in range, it's breaking the support, which is now resistance. And now it's going to continue to retest the highs. And then it continues up. This is a play I think we entered GG buys off, GG sells off yesterday, or buys, oh yeah, sells actually. This right here, if I show you. Where was it? I think it was like the 15-minute or something. During the New York session. Right here. If you look at this,
Yeah.
price goes up, breaks above it. This is the what you drew but opposite, right? Breaks above it, and then comes back down. See? Breaks above it, goes, breaks above it, and comes back down the range. It's like a fake out. Same shit we entered there, just opposite. Yeah, you know what fake outs are.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It is like,
that's what
I
it
fell
is.
for that like a little while back on UJ.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
This crazy push.
Yeah, because
what? I'm like, it broke lows.
it broke
And
out
then
the
it just
range.
broke
Yeah,
the hell out the highs. I'm like, what the hell is this?
yeah. This is a move I try avoiding. Like I wouldn't like sells for me. I wouldn't enter down here if it officially closes below the range. That's why you see me entering up here. Because if I were to enter up here, I have my stops at entry. I would secure 10 pips from here already. So once the count does come back in the range, that's what happens. But yeah, like usually this happens usually when like the day time frame is showing bullish momentum and the small time frame is showing like bearish. And usually what I'll do in those situations is I'll wait for this exact play to play out. I'll wait for the sell to come down. After if it comes back in the range, I'll take bias to continue the day trend. Yeah. Price usually continues way further up after.
Yeah, bro. Because at UJ, it literally, momentum literally came out of nowhere. I looked at news. The news was bad, but it just kept pushing. I'm like, what the hell?
Yeah. They remain close bullish here in the range though, so I'm not gonna take any buys yet. It's still in this range here from there to the support. Man, I want some Popeyes, bro.
Never again.
Never again? What do you mean?
Bro. Never again. I had the worst experience with Popeyes.
What the hell? What do you mean?
Bro. I don't know. What was this? It was like they didn't cook that shit all the way. I ate it, threw up like crazy.
Bro, 'cause that's Atlanta, bro. That's America for you. You know, Canada, we treat you well here.
Alright, bro. If I go over there and that shit ass, I'm blaming you. Take a lot.
Bro. Let's check. Alright, there's no comparison. That's tough.
You wish. Take a lot.
But man. I mean, it did come from America. Popeyes did come from Louisiana.
Yeah.
But you have to be reckless as shit with it.
Okay.
Yo, you line up for that. You line up for the sandwich.
How? Alright, yes.
Of course you did.
Alright, that shit was busting though. Like a lot. But nah, I'll never eat that shit again. I'm scarred for life, bro.
It's gonna rain today. It is raining.
Raining pips. Looking at.
You are something special. I'll take you on a stop loss free.
Take you out the last stop loss 3.
NBA YoungBoy fans trading be like, me fuck this shit, boy.
Goddamn. Full standard.
Yo, NBA YoungBoy fans.
100 count.
NBA YoungBoy fans literally trading is IMO, bro.
Looking at.
Is there you like, you know? That's the best description I can give.
Biggest memes. For...
I mean, I bet you a bunch of them are just all fans of NBA YoungBoy. Guarantee you.
Looking at. They always. You should be trading. Like a lad. Aggressive as hell. For no reason. Bro, dead ass.
Why aren't you
inbox
trading?
me on
Why aren't you
Facebook.
trading? Huh? Huh? Huh?
Why
Why
ain't
aren't you
huh?
trading? Why aren't you
Little
trading,
bitch?
bro?
Little bitch? Why ain't you trading? You scared to lose a little bit of money? Like a lad. Look at that.
There's these companies like they're like, you trying to work 9 to 5 or what? What you trying to do?
So we're this forever, huh? Like a lad. Shit, I bet you that 9 to 5 pay more than you.
Call them market maker.
Call it the market maker.
Call them the marketers.
The marketers. Look at that.
Props to the group though. IMO makes a shit ton of money, bro. I don't care what it says. At the end of the day, IMO also makes a shit ton of money. The company itself. That guy Christopher Terry up there.
The big
I don't know.
guy.
One day he's gonna go down bad, but like, hey, I'm just saying right now he's making a shit ton of money, man.
Yeah.
He's making M's weekly, bro. Weekly M's.
Pyramid King.
Imagine top of the pyramid like that.
Alright, we're starting something up.
That's domination.
It's called
DG and Ruby Rose.
Wait, who's the owner of the IMO?
Christopher Terry. Yeah, I wonder a day when the Browns stop dunking.
Never.
Like, you ever wonder if he gets too old, he'll stop?
I don't know. He gonna be done.
Because I'm kind of scared already, bro. The way he's jumping, he's not jumping as high anymore, you know? Kind of scary to watch. He's struggling just a little bit.
I don't know. We'll see tomorrow.
Oh, the play tomorrow?
Yeah. The real season starts tomorrow.
The least one yesterday. Bro, playoffs start on Saturday, bro. What the fuck, dude?
You ready? You ready to bet?
I'm
something?
ready, bro.
We're ready to bet something though. Celtics. Oh boy. I'm looking at them right now.
Yeah, what are your thoughts on what are your thoughts on? Yo, wait, Jay, how's your FCMO going?
Yeah, it's going good actually.
First day of
Yeah,
it?
second actually.
So like, you have 10 days to make what, 0.5%?
Well, technically 30, but if I could reach it within like 10 days, right?
Boy, you can reach that shit in 3 days.
Nah, I'm just chilling with like
Sniper.
the
Honestly,
regular
bro,
ones.
last week, if it's time for FTMO, buy gold and that's it.
Sure, right?
Wait, but I swear you have to like,
They
I
give you
swear it's
like
30 days. Isn't 30 days or some shit?
Yeah.
Something?
Yeah, it's 30 days. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's
Yeah,
10 days.
Yeah, no, you could pass it in 10 days.
Oh. But like,
What?
you still gotta wait 30 days though, right?
No, if you pass it within the 10 days, then you move on to the next challenge.
Oh, so it doesn't have to be 30 days.
Yeah, you don't have to wait the full 30. You can pass it.
So is there a limit you can make or what?
Nah.
I'm making 100 mil.
So the first step is to pass it so you can get like the other account, right?
Yeah. So
So once you get the other account, you can flip to whatever you want.
No. Yeah.
Okay.
And then
So wait,
you just have
so
to
what's the
follow
balance for the
risk
first account?
management. 10,000. Well, I'm doing the 10,000.
So for a second account, what's the balance after?
25,000.
So you can
And
flip
it's
that
50.
to um. let's see.
Yeah, so
'Cause
like
I
you
was
can
always
split.
confused, bro. I never looked into it in my life.
Yeah.
Like I never read about it, and then I just knew FTMO was. I'm like, okay, whatever. I never really read about it. Like what
This
like
is
the
like
steps.
this. Where is
not-
the money coming from? Like
Nah,
they keep saying like
You know
the
where it's coming from?
investors,
It's coming from their customers. Literally,
but I think
it,
it's coming
it's
from like the
it's
people that lose.
yeah.
Right?
So customers. So
People get
yeah,
paid. Yeah.
you have the head guy. You have the head guy, right?
Big baller,
And
winning
then
every
and
trade.
then you have the people that are buying it. They're trying to challenge. One, two, three. Three bald head guys, right? So you have one kid, two kid, and three kid. Those three kids. And then let's say you have like eight. Let's see, okay, I'm gonna put more arrows. Let's say you have like a couple more. Let's say you have this. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8 kids. So this is a start off. This right here is a start off. What happens after? The people who win is this small bracket right here. People who win, let's say of the all the 8 kids, let's say only 3 qualify. 1, 2, 3 qualify for the challenge. The payment comes from these kids over here.
So basically, the kids that get kicked off.
The
towards
kids that
the island,
lost,
right?
that paid the fee, all the fee payments go towards these people that the payout. So that's why when the guy got 100K, he was they never got paid. I don't know what happened, but it's something fishy going on. But yeah, that's
Yeah, I
why.
wanna see what
They
happened with
froze
that.
his shit and
It's,
deleted his shit. That's
yeah,
what
like
happened.
that was
Because
like,
they obviously
what?
they might not have the capital to give. Yeah,
Mm.
that's the only thing. But yeah, it's not like
Yeah,
obviously
that's what I'm thinking.
they say that they get their funds from
Investors.
investors.
Where are the investors?
But why would an investor give like a 20-year-old demo trader money
Right.
if they complete a demo account? That's the only thing. So
Anyone could profit off a demo account, right?
like I'm not saying like they obviously pay you. It's just
Yeah. They pay you, but it doesn't. It's like something's not right. You know?
this is it right here.
So basically the Chihuahuas are feeding the big dogs, bro.
Yeah.
Basically.
Because for them to pay out that 100K, they need to get a shit ton
lot
of
of
fails here. I'm pretty sure they have enough, but it's just they didn't want to pay them.
Or they just don't have it.
You give everybody a demo account and pay the member that makes profits from the membership and keep the rest. And yeah, they pay the members from the people who paid the fee. Cause they're obviously not gonna get paid from investors. No investor's gonna like trust. No investor's gonna invest into that company that's gonna invest into teens like us or like young people. That train off a demo account. You know, like oh you flipped it $1,000 to $1,000, $10,000 within 30 days. Cool, I'm gonna give you whatever capital. You know. That's the issue.
Wow. You flipped the demo account.
Just think about it. You know, just think about it. Like, imagine you train a demo account. Why would I invest? Well, like their funds obviously do not come from
tier.
an investor.
Top tier, dude.
It comes from obviously the people who pay for a challenge. Where the capital comes from. So it's like a little pyramid
Basically.
that's disguised as just something else.
They give everybody demo accounts and pay the member. That makes profit from membership and keep the rest.
Not saying it's a scam, but
No, yeah, they probably pay you.
kinda iffy. Kinda iffy. Like yeah, people do get paid. It's just super, super iffy.
Whoever's doing that challenge, guys, make sure you are
Aware.
you are what's the word? You have like enough practice in the market. Cause I know some people that do FCMO, they do it just because like they feel like they can be a millionaire, you know? Like I know Jay can trade. Like I seen JJ's been trading for a minute, so it's fine. But people who are just new traders here, like I see a lot of people just like they just pay whatever fee just so they can get funded, just because they think that with a larger amount of capital they can be more profitable.
I don't know. That shit works because if you're already bad at trading,
Yep.
right?
Straight up.
And you get more capital.
Straight
what
up.
you finna do?
Straight up.
Lose
No,
it.
You should be Yeah, bro, straight up.
Like, learn how to grow a goddamn $500 account before you think about growing to 50,000, 10,000. You know, big
I mean, like
thousands,
like
man.
y'all be saying. I mean, it's the same. A $500 account is the same as a $500,000
Yeah,
account. It's sort of a
Same shit.
percentage of the
There it
account
is,
and
same
shit, and
shit.
how you manage it.
proper proper risk management.
Yeah, all
You
it
know,
is.
but I
I mean,
just
so
seen
far
people that
I'm
do it.
chilling with the market.
Yeah. People that I seen do it just make impulsive moves and shit. I'm like, bruh, and you expect to be like in this shit for a long run? Like people just think like just cause hey I got 1,000K, I mean 1,000K, 100K, I'm gonna just pop hella trades with big lots and get funded quick. All right, bro. All right.
All
Watch you
right,
blow
man.
that shit. Watch you blow that shit.
I went Boston Gold 1955.48. Nice, bro. Yeah, it's gonna push up here. 1 hour breaking the highs, should be able to push up further. Daily time frame is still bullish. So unless you break these lows, it should be heading up. 4 hours still bullish. Yeah, I'll say like as long as price respects 1949, we should be able to push up. Maybe like 1963. Be a target. These levels. Just be aware that you at this minor resistance though. So major resistance. So you really need a breakout of this range to go up further. If you break out this range, you can say that maybe 1966, eventually 1971, you know. But yeah. Yep, very clean trade, bro.
Well, what lot size would you recommend on the 50,000 account? I mean, I'm
I don't
doing
know.
like
That like
very
just
one
I feel like
standard. So
I don't know. Like I don't really go off lot size like with account size, you know, because I use my lot size based off of experience. Like obviously, if whenever I use the 8.0 lot, it's like less than 3% of my account all the time. Around 2 or 3% of my account. So kind of like on a stop loss, but it's usually around like less than 3%. So like I don't really go like, oh, I have a 500K account. I'm gonna use whatever lot size to my max potential. You know, I don't go off like that. I go off of just
what you're
what I
comfortable with.
with what I've yeah, with my progress, I guess, because I've grew it slowly to 8. I'm kind of stuck at 8 though. I can't really go to a 10. I don't know, bro. It's kind of something about it. I think I
What
tried it
about
one time. I played out, but it was just like I was still a little like shook, you know, taking a 10. I'm like, yeah, I'm not ready for a 10 yet.
you gotta say fuck it and go.
It's fucking big money,
No
bruh.
shit.
GPUSD analysis, please. Well, can you please send me an analysis, sir, please? Send me a nice chart analysis of a nice breakdown with nice, you know, text boxes, explanations of what you see, what think's gonna happen, if you're already in a trade, if you're not in a trade, whatever it is, you know, maybe you took the trade already and you're asking why you did wrong in the trade, but you know, send something. Please, sir.
'Cause, like
Sir, can you
you
please
learn
send
a
an
lot.
analysis, please, sir?
You learn a lot more if you just send on the analysis instead of just having Dom just go check the market. Like if instead of just analyze it yourself and then just let him know what you see in the market and he'll let you know.
The reason why like I do it though is because like I'm too focused on like, you know, GJ and gold right now. Just watching these two pairs only. I don't want to get like distracted by other pairs.
Sidetracked and shit.
Sir, GPUSD, please, sir. Send me a chart, please, sir.
I got a new pair that I'm working on. Oh boy, I can't wait till I get better at this shit.
Yeah,
I like
USD
it.
Mex.
Hell no. Euro NZD. Shit fire. It's just
That pair moves a lot, yeah.
hell yeah, that shit. Boy, don't pull back.
Any tips for anyone who wants to start streaming like you? Well, first you're gonna have to be a profitable trader, because that's the first tip. Because if you're just providing people false info, false data, or like you're providing people stuff that you don't actually do. For example, you know, if you're just telling people whatever it is that these gurus are think that's profitable, and you're not actually doing it yourself and stuff like that, it's not gonna be good for you. Just you in the long run. Another thing is probably just, I don't know, just do whenever you're ready. But the first step is to become a profitable trader for a long period of time.
Step 2.
Step 2, I don't know. You just gotta be ready to educate.
Yeah. Step 3. You better have a fire ass intro.
Get on your knees and beg.
Like, hell no, I'm not getting on my knees.
No, I think he's talking
Nah,
to
he's
Mush
talking
Stack.
about, yeah, he said, "Are you doing GBPSD or not?" Yo, man.
All right.
If you
goodbye.
send me a nice chart and give an explanation of what you see in that chart, nice breakdowns
good.
and everything, I will look at the pair. I'll tell you what I see in your chart, what makes sense for me, and yeah, but you gotta put in the work, because if you're just coming here asking me buy or sell, that's literally what you're asking me right now, buy or sell. And what you're gonna do after is you're gonna go in your empty forward chart, you're gonna buy or sell it. After once it doesn't go direction, you're gonna be like, you suck. So I'm not gonna do that. You better send me a chart analysis.
We ain't trying to sound like dickheads, but we just letting you like. This is how the stream works.
It's easier on.
No, I'm not being a dickhead. It's just
Nah, it's just like we're just telling you how the stream works. Like we're not here to give.
not even how the stream
Finance.
works. Like, I'm just telling for the benefit of yourself. You know, how do
Yeah,
you get
exactly, yeah.
where you get better as a trader yourself? I'm just here giving you this and that. Like,
Fight now.
yeah,
Stop
yeah.
now. We can,
Huh?
no, we're not that type
I'm
of
not gonna
stream.
learn
man.
anything.
We're not that type of stream. But you know what? If you wanna, you know, act like that, my guy. You know.
My GP is default margin. Brother. Brother.
Gotcha.
Yeah, this is going with the trend.
I mean, I don't know. I think it's pretty. I haven't seen it. I don't know what it is right now.
Just send an analysis, my brother. We're waiting for you.
Yeah, GBP page.
Yeah, yeah, Jay, make a chart or something. So show him what GPUSD analysis looks like. Maybe he doesn't know what it looks like. Maybe he doesn't know what I mean. Oh, I will show you what it is for future reference. Next day in the stream, sir. Buy or sell? I saw GPUSD yesterday, and I'm still holding it. What should I do? My account is negative $5,000 right now, sir.
Get a job. Application fee.
New traders be like, I blew my whole account. Is there any way I can get it back in the markets? Yo, you know what someone asked me? Is there any way my broker can refund me the money I put into the account?
What?
That was probably the most funniest question I got in my life. I'm not gonna lie.
What the fuck?
It's like, is there any way the broker can refund me that one trade? I took it, but I went the opposite way. I didn't know what to do after. That's how, like, you know.
Idiot.
Like, no, this is how, you know, like, you shouldn't be trading in the first place, because you haven't really did that much research. It's on yourself on Hinge, brokers, and then, you know. Yesterday may fall post stock market open and Corona devastation and blue chip stock now are suffering, boy, and following behind. Yeah, the weekly is still bearish from the technical standpoint. Yeah, daily still bearish. I'm expecting the US30 fall as well, coming down to like this week probably like 26,116. It just has to respect this high up here at 27,194. Today's market day candle closed bearish. Yeah. Oh, yo, GJ, user looks like a fake out. Jimbo, what is what you talking about? Right here. You have this, and then now you have this. This is like a fake out come back in the range. See how price broke out of the range, broke below it, and then now it's coming back in the range. I don't know, I'm expecting this to get filled now on the 4-hour time frame.
Yeah.
But if this low gets broken, probably gonna pop further down here. Yeah. Remember what you mentioned earlier? Price broke out of the range, you know? That's the same thing you
Broke out
drew.
the range, came back in, and then
The same thing you drew earlier, that little thing.
built
Yeah,
up.
it's just the opposite. It's just a buy now in this case scenario.
Double bottom fake out.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, I think the 1 hour closes in 4 minutes here. I'm looking for buys once it kind of closes in the range here. Oh man, this hour hasn't done much. It literally went up and within the first 10 minutes and just hasn't done much after. Some guy said he's leaving now. My stack.
Why?
I'm sorry I couldn't give you your GPUSD analysis. I'm sorry, but should have gave me the nice.
You just wanted a chart, man.
Yeah, that's how it is.
Give you free, you give us free.
Like, I'm not even asking for a charge. Just
We're not like begging you to do it. We're
just-
just like trying to help you out, bro. But it's okay, bro. You leave. You know, go on one of those what's those things? Like AI streams where it tells you that buy and sells. Yeah, you want to be like that? Yeah, you go on those. Ain't no problem. It's all good.
Jimmy sound petty. Don't leave me.
You can leave.
Don't leave me.
You can leave.
I bought yours at 26,296.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh shit, nice, bro. Just like down there.
Super sniper.
Wait, what? When'd you buy it? Wait, hold on. When'd you buy it?
126? He said 126 or 136, 126.
296. That's like below this candle. What did you do here? Did you buy it like back in like July 20th?
Super sniper.
I think he's trolling. I think he's trolling.
No, he's a fucking sniper, bruh. He ain't trolling.
Exact. I don't know.
All right, sniper certified.
Question him, bruh. That's a fucking
Get
sniper.
the
Right there.
X50 on that.
Damn, that Wick feels dumb clean. Yes, Sarsky. Goodbye. Goodbye, DJ.
Mm-hmm.
Price, yeah, irrespective of
Yes.
the low.
Expect the 1 hour low.
Yep.
The trade would have still been active if I put my stops there.
Yeah.
It should be shooting up here, guys. 136,
Push the
423.
feeling, bruh. Look it up on YouTube. I made that song. I give you full copyright.
Some guy in premium keeps saying GG sells and gold sells. Man, oh man.
Whyada? Like a lot. Whyada? Mink. Yeah, I'm just agreeing with everyone's allowance. It's not bad. So everyone don't want their feelings hurt? I got you, bro. Disagree. Damn. My entries. Look at her.
Yeah, I got an entry at 136, 160. Still running.
I got it in at 136.018 and 136.069.
Yeah, I was like around here.
I got the bottom. I ain't get this type of entries in a minute. Look at it.
This is my trade. That's still running.
I dropped the whole 55 piece and still lost. What the fuck?
New York's about to open, guys, and you just gonna continue exploding here.
Just gonna push the feeling, bro.
Got you, bro. And chart here. Copy and paste it onto my thing. Oh, Ron. Yeah, send it over again, bro. Wrong chart. Unfortunately, you sent the wrong chart to my brother. Hold on, let me just copy, paste. Enter. There it is. Nice, bro. You say you got in at 296 and this shows 306. Something's off about this. Yeah, bro. So whenever you send a chart, bro, don't send a chart that's already done. You're in a trade already. That's already in profit, whatever. Because it's useless at this point. Send a chart that's in process, like you're just entered, or just like I don't know, just maybe a stop loss that you took or something, right? But if you're gonna send a chart that's already done, it's like kind of like what's it gonna do for me and you? Nothing. It's just like a waste of time. You know, it's just you send me a chart that you took a trade off. I don't really care what trades you took already. I care about giving feedback back, yeah. And I can't give feedback on a chart that's already done. It's kind of just useless. Yeah, my buys here, guys. I got in as the 15 and broke the highs here. Where's my chair? Yeah, I got in as you see the 15 minute, on the 15-minute time frame. You had this minor resistance here, and pretty much this kind of closed bearish and respected this support, right? So if this kind of closed bearish and respected that support, and if this next kind of comes up and breaks the high, what do you think's gonna happen? It's gonna continue out further to retest the highs and eventually follow the 1 hour trend, 4 hour trend, day trend, and all the bullish trends this week on GJ. Yeah, bro, don't be sorry. It's just next time just send a chart that's you know, not done yet. Yeah, this trade was pretty cleaner. I closed majority of my profits already, 85%. I'm gonna leave like 20% running. So this target at 136.423, and potentially I might actually attempt a runner coming up to 137, 148. But that's a little crazy far. But it could get tapped today. Who knows? I'm expecting Jiu-Jitsu be very volatile today.
They're talking about Brexit again.
Brexit. Exit.
Brexit. I think I talked about it like the other day, like Monday, Tuesday. So much factors kicking in right now. Dang,
You know, that guy who asked about GPUC. This still looks like GPUC. Now that he's left.
Who petty now?
Nah, it's just. Let's see. It's still bullish. Dates. I'm saying it's still bullish here. Essentially these levels. Loki's still watching. Enter that buy here. Yeah, I don't know. It's in this range here. On right now, it might not. You might not have entries for buys or sells. You're gonna have to wait for potentially like a breakout of this range here for something to happen. But on the day timer, it's still bullish, so you can look for buys if it breaks above it. That's what I'll do. Or if this happens, like Jimmy said, a move that he loves,
One of my playbook moves.
breaks out of range. Oh, it's a fake. Yeah, for me, for you, it's I don't know what you call it, but for me, I call it a fake out. Same move, same idea. Yeah, comes back in a range here. Can go up.
Yeah. I just call it a double top fake out. And then I made it another name.
I was trying to move my TP from 136 300 before I got hit, but I got taken out. Good profits though. 136 300. Oh, yeah. You are something special. Take you on a TP spree.
That's how it goes. I'm
Alright, bro. You know, I'm gonna lock in this weekend. I'm gonna lock in. I'm gonna finally finish that video that I was making. Top 10 questions.
I ain't gonna lie.
I'm finish that video.
Right now.
I'm gonna update the course. Right? Finish those videos as well. Cause I have some videos that are gonna be uploaded. I just gotta transfer from my Mac to my PC. And yeah, this weekend I'm gonna lock in. I'm gonna post a YouTube video this weekend. Alright, guys.
Yeah.
And giveaway was supposed to be this week, but it's probably gonna be next week.
Yeah. Okay.
So yeah, I'm gonna lock in this weekend, and I'm gonna start locking in. But yeah,
Tap in. I can lie. Let's get it.
so if you guys are waiting for a video, it's coming. It's gonna be about technical analysis and kind of just psychology. Top 10 questions people ask me. Top 5, whatever it is. I think top 5. It's gonna be on YouTube. It's gonna be I don't know how long. I might drop that, or I might do like a how it trade like type of like.
Back to the basics, bro. I'm telling you.
It's gonna be long if I do back to basics. It's gonna be like 5 hours, bro. Something. I mean, I can do it back to the basics, bro. Actually, I could.
Later on in the year.
I feel like if I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll drop it back to the basics, like a long video.
Yeah.
I need to hit 1,000 subscribers, guys. So if you guys are enjoying the streams, leave a like, cause the YouTube algo shows up people's feeds as you like up the live stream. So like up the live stream. Show people that it's free. Show people that we do this every day.
We make money.
Doing it since March every day. And yeah. We're
Oh my god. Hello?
Yo.
Yo, what happened, bro?
What happened? Nothing happened.
Nah, bro. Like your mic, like just make that weird sound, bro.
I don't know what happened.
Just scared the hell out of me.
Is it loud?
No. It was like, I'm like, what the fuck? Hey, yo, my ears. Bruh, it's crazy how fast this year passed, though. Still can't get over that.
Thinking beyond what people are trying to sell GJ, man.
Oh yeah, I seen it.
I don't get it. I don't get it, man. I do not get it. You know, like, I don't know. I don't know what it is,
I
man.
don't know anymore, man.
I
I
like
don't even know.
it's fine to sell GJ. It's nothing's wrong with it. It's fine. It's just when people just like it just I think cringes me when people just
Go against
base
the
it off of just one little line or one small candle on a small time frame or something. Center stuff off of like, for example, like they see like this. Yeah, TJ tapped this trend right here. 1, 2, 3. This trend should reject and come down. That bot, like it's just like, look left. There's no traffic coming to this target. That's all that is. That's all I gotta do. I don't know. I don't know, man. Brother. I don't know. I don't know what to do, Jimbo.
You know what you do? Ignore it.
I don't know what to do, Jimbo. If
Ignore it.
if a boy sent what's going on, guys? Asian analysis. As long as GJ
Yeah.
for buys, and then eventually
Yeah.
134, 448. 448 is my daily target. And also, you heard that?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I don't think you heard it in the stream. There, yeah, here. 137 if that resistance breaks, right? But 137 is a. And then all you gotta do is go on Instagram story after. Pretty much. Check out the breakdown. Pretty much. This is it. This is the breakdown. You know. And yeah, you're still just bullish, man. I think an issue people have when they're new traders
What's up?
is they have like a hard time understanding the trend. Like they understand the trend, but they don't think it's
They don't
enough.
fully
They
understand.
don't think it's enough. Like for example, they right now, for example, they think it's too late for them to enter buys in because GJ has already started pushing up, and they think it's too late here. And then they'll start looking for sells, calling tops and bottoms because they want to catch the whole move back down. And they want to catch the same amount of pips that they lost. So it's kind of like a FOMO thing. They see this move, shit, I missed it. They look for sells here,
No,
coming
but
down to this target.
I think people want to be like first so many times without
Yeah, they want
understanding
to come
that
in
trading
first.
is like is second place. It's good to be second place in trading.
That's the
My
goal in
opinion.
trading, though. It's coming in second
Yeah.
place. If you guys know what I mean by that, let the markets come in first. Follow the trend. Let the market make its trend. All you gotta do is follow along with the trend. Market wants to go up today. Look for buys today. It's day candle showing bullish momentum. What are you gonna do? Look for sells? No, just follow the trend. Look for buys coming up to this target. Right? You're trying to come in second place here. You caught this move. Done your day. Like once you start trying to come in first, coming tossing bottoms and going ahead of the market, that's when the market's gonna eat you up, bro.
Facts. Yeah, I'm telling you, bro. So much people that I know want to be first so much times. But I'm like, I keep telling them, like trading doesn't work that way. You have to. You don't have to be second, but it's better to be second. It's way better to be second. Cause one, you're not gonna get messed over. Cause people try to like put in positions before news or whatever, right?
Hmm?
And then get messed up once it goes like the other way. Like they try to crank the buy stop sell stop thing and get messed up because one, they don't close fast enough.
I,
Two, news just moves fast in general,
yeah, like
and
I just think
they
like
can't control it.
I think a lot of people's analysis go off of their emotions. You know what I mean?
Like yeah, like it doesn't like sometimes I be watching. I'm like, this doesn't make logical because I keep like once I kept seeing people talking about sell gold out when it was like right before it did this that big drop right and that happened. I think
Hmm?
yesterday, the 600 point. They said it's gonna keep selling. I'm like, no, bro. You see it making like strong support right here. It pushed up the rest of the day. Why go against it? Just follow it.
Yep.
Make no make no sense, man. Like the charts is basically like a GPS. You just follow the way it goes, and you win. Well, what more harder can it be? You know? But people try to overcomplicate things, and that's what's getting to people.
You ever use a currency meter, bro?
I used it like earlier. Currency heat wave, that was the shit, but I don't use that no more. I got a thing called eyeballs.
Bro, you just tell based off the.
Currency heat wave. No cap. I used to use it. Yeah, I made like a good amount on it, but nah, I don't use it anymore. It was busted. I'm not gonna hold you, bro. That shit was busted. Then there's this new thing that came out. Oh my god, there are people are on it. It's called no free promo, but it's called Swift. It's basically like signals plus like analysis and shit. I'm like, wow, this sucks. Cause it's like 10 people that take care of it. So,
Mhm.
yeah, it's cool, pretty cool.
Yeah. My thing got tapped. My runner is still going here. I'll close half here. I think I'm close. I'm gonna leave a runner. Close full here. I'm in close half here. Uh, there you go. Secured. Jimbo, you still on bias, bro?
Yeah, still holding.
Very clean, bro. Very clean, sir.
Entry. I got in like way at the bottom, bro. Like this is unusual. I'm so lucky I
Very
waited
clean,
after that.
sir.
I'm so lucky I waited after that one last pullback to put in the buy, bro. Shit, too clean. And August finna be crazy. I'm finna top it. I'm finna top it, bro. I'm finna top July. For real.
June is my best month.
July is my best one. Hands down. Hands down, man. July.
You want to make a withdrawal this weekend?
Yeah. By Earth.
For the month of July. Wasn't that big of a bag. But still worked with it. Still came out positive for the month.
So I'm at it.
Still good profits.
As long as that bank account color is green, that's all that matters.
My TD always green. It's green in general.
Plus green, plus green, plus green, plus green.
Nah, the bank color always green.
Yeah, plus green.
Yeah, pound's very strong right now. According to currency meter.
Currency heat
Let's
wave.
see how GPUSD is doing. I took that guy. I hope that guy, if he was still watching, I hope he took buys. Because GU's about to bust up here. We're breaking on the Ranger, and we should be able to push up further up. Daily time frame is pretty bullish. And GU's there is about to come back in the Ranger. GPUSD by full margin.
Hey man, that was a signal right there. Hey, you want it so bad. Like,
I hope you follow along, bro. I hope you follow along. Yeah. I'm gonna look for more entries on GJ. For you guys. For right now, guys, what we need for buyers on GJ is we're gonna need like a break above this Ranger. These levels here yeah, now you have traffic. You know, you had no traffic to this target. Look left. You had no traffic, but now you're entering a level of where you have a lot of traffic at. So I don't know. You could wait for a break of this range, because what happens in this range is price can just range for a little bit in this range, and then eventually break out. We'll continue out further. Your runner left on? Yeah, I got a runner, bro. I just closed on this trade though. I did not close 10 pips. I just moved my stops to entry as we broke the highs. The shop's so quick, right? So I'm like, okay, this has a lot of momentum. It has nowhere to go now but up here. So that's why I didn't really close at 10 pips. I let the full position run into 25 pips. But yeah, so I closed 50% here at 25 pips, and now we just have a runner coming up to the next target. Yeah, you had good stops, bro. That's something I should have done today. Something that I made a mistake on today. I put the current candle stops instead of the hourly low stops. So that's kind of what I did wrong today. That trade would have still been active. That trade would have still been active as long as I respect that 1 hour low. But I put it to the current candle low because it broke the highs there. So I'm like, okay, maybe it should come back down, right? And then price came back down, but I never broke the 1 hour low. So then, tuning up here. It broke the 50-minute low, but I didn't break the hourly low because the high times I was gonna respect. But yeah, something I could have done better today probably. But that's alright. Yeah, don't worry, bro. Addy Cat. If you got out, you still have more buy positions coming up. You have buys above like 136, like around these levels, till like 137, 148. Like GG's still gonna go up today. It's at resistance on the day time frame, but this count should push up further today. If not, maybe tomorrow.
It's looking real 136, 600-ish real soon. Real.
Yeah, I mean it has not 20 pips. Yeah, it has that target. It's just that this is more traffic now. If you look for buys entering here, this range. But yeah, this target is gonna get tapped probably today. But 137, 148. That's not today. Might be tomorrow. But 138 is still a weekly target. I think if this day kind of closes above like 137, we're gonna pop up to 138 tomorrow. About time, bro. I put 10,000 trade. Yeah, I forgot, bro. I gotta go back. I gotta rewatch some clips. I'll do it in a bit. But hey, guys. What I want you guys to understand in streams is the trades I take. Top left of my screen are the trades that I personally take, right? So you guys, YouTube doesn't let me, tell you guys by yourself or whatever. So it's for educational purposes only. Yes, and follow along if you guys want, but these are just my trades that I'm taking, alright? So whatever you guys make, whatever you guys lose, on whatever trade it is, that's up to you guys. You guys gotta manage your risk, and you guys have the option to follow along or not. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you guys, yeah, buy now, full margin. Like, you guys never gonna hear me say that. You usually hear me say, I'm getting in a buy here, guys. Because this is my trading time, this is why I trade. I just decided to stream it. I'm not streaming it for whatever. I'm streaming just to show you guys how I trade. Give out free education. Oh, say can.
Oh, Canada, oh, Canada.
What?
What?
That took a little start. No, bro. It's
how
Canada.
I
don't know the lyrics to this song.
This man don't even know his own country anthem. Boy. All I know is your country's dangerous. I can't come to you. Sorry, bud.
Guys, think about it this way. GJ, if you look at GJ, it's very simple. Think about it this way. You have this box here. So price, what it did was, it came up here. GJ came up. GJ came up, tapped the resistance, created a range. It broke out of the range and continued up further. Look left, there's no traffic. So this trade is based off looking left. Whenever you see no traffic, those are your opportunities. But whenever you see clutter, range, all that, that's when you stay out the trade. For For example, right now, if I were to take a trade right now, I'll stay out. I'll stay out. Why? Because looking left, you have this whole range here, this whole box of just slowness. It's gonna be very slow in that range. But once it breaks out of that range, it's gonna continue up further. And that's what the buy I'm gonna look for, above these levels, coming up to 137, 100, and so forth, right? But you're gonna struggle in this range for a little bit. That's all that is. That's how trading is. You gotta know when the appropriate times to trade are and when the appropriate times to stay out. As long as you can determine the difference between a range and a breakout, you're fine. It's not that hard. If you're hitting your stop, if you're just heading off with like I don't know, I guess break even days or lost days, it's just as long as like you understand what you did wrong in that trade, you can correct yourself in the future and move on. But as long as you understand breakouts and range, and you know what to stay out of, and you know what trades to get in, you're fine, bro. But if you check your trade history and you're getting losses because you're getting stuck in a range, that's when you should just sit back a little bit and reevaluate, see what you could do better. Maybe wait for a breakout of range. But that's what I did when I started off, guys. I didn't know what a range was. I was just trading, bro. No one told me what a range was. No one told me whatever it was. Like I was just trading, just with a blind eye, using fibs and whatever. Like I was using fibs in a range, bro. That's the worst thing you can do in life. And yeah, but that's when you look left at the most recent, you wouldn't be, so wouldn't it be traffic instead of range? What? But I thought you said when you look left at the most recent, it wouldn't be traffic. Nah, like you should buy or sell based off of breakout of a range. Like looking left, I mean, if you see clean traffic, it's usually, for example, right here, broke out this range, looking left, this clean traffic, coming up to that target on a 4-hour time frame. Yeah, cause I don't know. I don't think I ever said clean traffic is a range. No, that's where clutter happens. And yes, I know the difference between two ranges though. There's ranges that you can trade and ranges you can't trade. Bro, let's catch you later, bro. Have a good day, bro. Uh, 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 uh. Should be. You hear my keyboard?
No. Damn. Face face masks are not required. Major retailers. Oh, this shouldn't be bad. Oh boy. Oh boy, boy, boy. Oh, another thing, Black
What?
Friday's not gonna happen this year. It's only gonna be online.
When's that? When's Black Friday? After Christmas?
And
Oh no,
after
no, that's
Thanksgiving.
Boxing Day. Canada.
Yeah, it's after Thanksgiving. So yeah, the economy. Oh boy, they gonna have to wait all the way to goddamn Cyber Monday. It's gonna be 2 Cyber Mondays then. I'm
Nice
so
to you
looking
guys. I'm
up.
done for a day. All right, bro. Catch you later, bro.
Catch you later, dude. Gnarly ways, bro. Let's see.
Yep. 15 closed bearish at the resistance I mentioned. Um, let's see. Hourly still hasn't closed yet. Hourly still bullish. Oh, hourly's actually bearish. 30-minute is has on top wick, so this kind of could flip bullish and turn up. Let's see. 15-day close bullet bit bearish. Hourly has top wick already, so let's see. My runner's still going. I have like a 10% of trade runner. I closed another 10%. I mean 5% just now again. As it closed bearish at this resistance.
I only took like one trade today. Usually it goes over a nice moves. Nice rise.
Do you still use the same lot size coming off a loser dub? Yeah, I do. But that it'll usually like depend on like the stop loss where it's at. Like for example, if I take a loss, I'm not gonna take a trade that's gonna have like a 30 pip loss, you know. But yeah, I usually stick to like 2 trades, 2 losses in a day. I'm usually out of it. For example, the first loss I took was 11 pips, then I took a 26 pip trade.
Yo, it's gonna flip on the 15th.
Oh, back bullish.
The chance if this is a support is found. See, look left real quick. Area. Yeah, and they start flipping bullish on the fitting.
Oh, about to be 9 a.m. here. The stream went by kind of quick. I'm gonna lie.
No. Bro, I woke up at 3.
You?
Yeah, I woke up at 3, looked up at the ceiling for like 10 minutes, went back to sleep. I don't know what woke me up. I'm like, yo, something feel weird. No, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go back to sleep. I was trying to look at the charts, but I was like, nah, fuck that. Sleep. I should have put in a bite up. But that'd be right. Ain't gonna lie. Bro, what if gold just goes to 2K today,
I mean,
bro?
hey, it's still bullish, yo.
Yeah, it's bullish as hell.
Daily is still bullish. Like, you know, people are really trying
But
to
if
sell
it
gold
does,
with no bearish candles. I'm wondering, what the fuck?
right. But that pullback, because
Like
you know
1980 doesn't get tapped. As long as it respects this low, at like, as long as gold respects 1947, we should easily be able to tap 1980. Easily. I think a breakout is range against our bison, guys. But it is bullish. There's no reason to sell at all. Just yet, especially when it's in the range here. Like, you know, if you're in a range, I would preferably take a buy than a sell. In the range. If I had no option and I had to trade a range, I would take a buy and a sell in this range. Cause you know this could happen. You have this range, another push up later on. Daytime we're still bullish. If there's a gun to my head telling me to trade a range, I'll enter a buy in this range.
yeah. Once I get Euro NZD down pack, it's a done deal. I like a few tips to it. One, watch out for a pullback. Two, do not go against the goddamn trend on it.
This guy Robert flipped $10, $300. I remember that day. Oh my
What?
days. Yeah, I remember that day. It was like it was my signal. It was on gold and Bitcoin. He was scalping a bunch of it like back last year, and bro, he flipped $10 to $100 to $300 within like 5 hours, and then he lost it after. But still, it was crazy. I'm like, what? He literally messaged me. He's like, yo, I'm to my last $10 here, bro. I was like, I can flip this. He flipped it and he bought VIP with it,
Bro.
and he just blew the rest of some shit. I forgot what he did. Cause VIP back then was only like 150 back then.
Yeah, good old days. Last time.
What's Bitcoin at? Has it gone? People are quiet about it right now, so I'm guessing it hasn't moved since yesterday. Yeah, I knew it. See, people only talk about it when when it actually moves. You see me talking about GG moving or not moving. There's no hype here, man. No hype here. But yeah, Bitcoin, people are pretty quiet about it right now. No one's really talking about it. Guarantee you,
So,
if it makes another move up, people are gonna start talking about it again. But yeah, it's hella bullish, bro. It's hella bullish right now. Like weekly, it's on tap probably like 11,493. Technical from a technical standpoint, um, yeah, it's pretty bullish. Pretty bullish. Yeah. I think Juju is going to continue back down to fill the range here at 136, 100, and if it breaks below that range, it's going to continue further down. Yeah, buys above these levels still. No, I'm my bad. Above this range over here. Above 136, 600. Buys above there for me. Until then, guys, I think I'm gonna just look for buys later on. Because right now, might not be the opportunity to buy just yet. Maybe if you find some type of support. This is the next logical area. And then eventually these levels. But I think this level, 136, 100, a support is gonna be made there. If it holds, it's gonna go up. If it doesn't hold, it's gonna continue back down. That's all that is right now with GJ. But 136, 100 is a very crucial level. The 4s will close though, and the 4s have a nice wick fill too. So let's see. Maybe these 1 hour candles are just bearish candles for the 4 hour wick fill. The 4 hours gonna close bullish no matter what. So let's see here. Let's see. Jimmy, you see what I sent?
Know what? Hold on. Let's see. Damn.
Where's Sam though? That's the real question.
Oh, he probably sleep or something. That didn't still.
Yo. I don't know, bro.
Yeah, cause on the 15, I said 15. He's saying 15. On the 30,
What's up?
it,
What's up? No
it
top Wick?
tested on top of no, it tested the top of the previous range. So
Yeah, yeah. Tap that support that level here.
yeah, I learned that.
Like I'm thinking like maybe the 4 hours gonna have a nice wick flow and we can pop off on this 4 candle. So maybe just kind of pull them back for the 4 hour. Pop it like this.
Cause on MT5, it does have a top wick, but it's just like super small.
Yeah, train views a bit delayed.
Yeah.
Can't catch it enough in time. It's too slow. Third party.
Test that top of the range. I said this one. Just building stairs, man. That bitch said skadoosh.
Skedaddle.
Skedaddle,
Skadoosh.
dude. Skedaddle. Scatter. Skedaddle, dude. Yeah, this NFC can be insane this week.
It's next week, no?
Next, yeah.
Yeah.
He's saying this next.
At 19.9. We will.
I ain't never ever seen you play like this before. Yeah, bro. So you let gold finna. Watch this.
Gold broke the highs. Should continue up here. Broke the 30-minute highs. Looks bullish, man. I don't know, man. I don't know about selling, bro. I really don't know about that, man. I don't know.
No. Yep. GJ is bullish again. Once it breaks.
Yeah, 15-minute highs should go up. Might just be done for a day. If it goes up, I'm pretty happy with my 27 pips here. Pretty happy, bro.
Good shit, though, man. Been crazy today, cuz.
1.4K day.
Noise. You?
Yeah.
Good shit, Mike Bridgen. I'm still inspired from that PTC buy 2 months ago. That's inspirational, cuz.
Robin?
Your BTC buy a few months ago.
2 months ago.
I said a few months ago.
Oh. When?
It's pretty inspirational. You, man. I think it was like November, December. He was holding Bitcoin buy. And that bit, like, was up like crazy. It was like a swing type shit.
Yeah, I used to be a Bitcoin swinger.
Yeah.
Oh, brother.
Good old
Yeah.
days. And then my stock friends is like, bruh, how you buying? How you buying shit when the market's closed? I'm like, this shit will never close, my friend. It's forever and ever and ever. Shit don't stop.
Yeah, how's my pair Bitcoin doing?
It's your pair?
My pair.
Moist.
I invented this pair. I'm the owner of Litcoin.
Litcoin, Litecoin, like that boy.
Litcoin.
Litcoin, Litcoin. It's lit every time you hit TP.
It's lit.
Every
Yeah.
time you hit TP. Like, bro, ever since crypto started popping, everyone has bought, like, every crypto on full margin type shit. Then letting it right. I'm like, it's pretty lit. Pretty good, pretty good. Go crazy, then.
$11 minutes till the 1 hour closes there.
Yeah.
Guys, if you guys haven't seen yet, check yesterday's Instagram story. Look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it. No, it's trading simple, breakdown is simple. One green box I drew with my hands. Bearish
On the
candles, resistance yellow line, boom. Clean traffic looking left to the top of those candles. From this daily candle coming up. Boom.
on a whole ass bike.
No, this is on the bike. I was home. I was on the bike here. I was home. I just can't draw when I send a screenshot on my PC. Like if I were to send a screenshot there, I send a screenshot on my phone. But yeah, GG came out to this
Still don't
target.
know how to use TradingView on my phone.
The app, bro.
Nah, I like using it on my PC anyway.
No, like I don't use it. I don't look at it. I just use it whenever I'm out and about.
Thumb's too big.
Fat ass thumb, boy.
Fat ass thumb, boy. Fat thumb ass boy.
Ooh. You are something special. Taking. Mhm. Jimmy, how many accounts did you blow?
Same number as Kobe's jersey.
Yeah, I blew around the same, to be honest, before. I blew a shit ton of accounts, bro. Yeah, I think it was like Kobe's jersey, bro. Pretty sure.
Kobe's jersey. For sure. I literally counted it last night. I'm like, damn. Shit crazy as fuck.
Yeah, chat. How many accounts have you guys blown, guys, in the past?
Be honest.
If you're still blowing counts, be honest too. Because I'll be honest, I blew before. Like last year, I blew. In a span of like 3 months, I blew like 24 accounts in a span of 3 months.
Damn.
Dude, I did not know what risk management and over leveraging was, bro. I just did whatever I felt was cool. Chat. Let me know, chat. How many accounts have you guys blown, guys?
What was the worst? What was the worst trade that you never taken?
The what?
What's the worst trade you never taken?
Worst trade?
Not ever.
You know, the video.
Is there any other one than that?
No, that was
Just
the
that video.
that was the last time I think I learned my lesson that day. Quick time too. I was at work, my jaw dropped. I was like,
Choy. But nah, I ain't never seen like a pair move that fast before.
it was news. It was straight. It was like it was like
What happened?
rate cuts or something, bro.
Shit. Boy, just imagine if you.
I was
closed
like, I'm
it,
waiting.
But
Ah.
imagine if you closed it at
In
both of them.
profit.
Yeah, well, the one that went.
I didn't have
bad,
time, bro. I don't think I could have.
Yeah, that shit was fast as hell, bro. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm gonna have to have magic keys or. Choy. Bank trips be like, shouldn't have waited on the institutional level to put in a buy stop. Hate when people say shit like that. Makes no sense. They're like, these templates get worse and worse every time I see them, man. More indicators for what, bro?
For real. Every day I see more indicators getting added to a chart.
This shit scares me, bro. Like Mark and Pip got my shit. Oh my god.
Oh,
I got
him?
seizures.
Oh
I
lord,
got
yeah,
seizures looking at his shit, bro.
yeah.
He's good though. I'll hold you, but damn, my head hurt.
Should I drop this? above 136.4. Gold is going up. Gold is going up. Break above this range, and you got these levels here. 4 hours on close in 2 minutes here, and we actually might close bullish here. This candle is flipping bullish as we speak, and if you close bullish above like 1961 here, we're gonna pop off on next 4 hour candle going up. But gold is pretty bullish. I don't see why people will sell. I don't see why. In this scenario specifically. Yeah, guys. Yeah, see how like once you tap like resistance, guys, and once you fill a range here, it's kind of you know, it gets a little like choppy and rangy after for a bit. So areas like this, like now you got no areas where you have to avoid. Like these areas right here, this is where you avoid kinda, because price tapped this level, and now for buys will be above like those candles there, because now you have like this kind of like saying you have like this you kind of have this right now. Kind of have like a range, I guess, from there. So I'll say down here. So this is gonna be rangy, and all I gotta do now is wait for buys above there going up. But yeah, I know what trade when to execute, when not to. You know, execute down here to this target. Once you tap that resistance, you stay out for a little bit. Wait for the range to get formed, which it is right now, and wait for a breakout of that range to go up. And that's when you trade again. So that's why like these counts right here are just kind of boring. That's why I'm not really saying much right now, because it's just like a range. So I kind of want to stimulate through these candles, because I know nothing's gonna happen here until we break above there. YouTube channel, saw this in recommendations, subscribe and notification on, glad people live stream and get tips. Thanks, bro. Yeah, bro, appreciate it, bro. We had a great day today, bro. I appreciate it, bro. Thank you for tuning into the live stream. Jason Kerr, yo, what's up, bro? Gold close bullish, guys, and yeah, we're gonna turn up as expected. I don't know why people are selling here, you know, don't know why. Daily still bullish. You know, we haven't closed bearish. 4 hours still bullish. 4 hours just closed bullish. No top wick though, so careful. You know, safe buys for me for gold, guys. If you're looking at buys, I think above these levels here, you can get buys till around 1980. Looking at the higher time frame, because you have like this whole range. It's kind of messy down here, and once you break out here, this wick right here that you see is just like a bunch of clean traffic candles coming up in this range here. So I'm saying buys above these levels would be much more clean than getting buys from here. So if you're just stay a bit more patient, wait for gold to actually break out this range here, enter buys above there, that'll be very nice. Nice once these pairs are going at 135.995. 135.995. Nice, bro. I think that's how many pips is that? Yeah, you got in 4 pips. Nice, bro. I'm guessing you got it as price. Actually, I know where you got it. You got it right here. As price broke out of this hourly 4-hour high here. Because from there, I was pretty bullish. Any gulag today? If you don't, you know, if you know, you've been in the streams long enough, you know gulag is not just a regular stop loss or whatever. It's a specific play trade. So you can't disrespect the term gulag like that. Gulag is a specific move that I don't think any other trader has. It's one specific playbook move that I've mentioned all the time. It's this. It's pretty much this. When you see GJ or whatever going up, right? In a range here, you have a range. And all of a sudden now you have a breakout of the range. And you have a bullish candle going like this. This next candle, I never enter off of anymore. I usually enter a buy here. But what happens in this candle is we always come back in a range here. You know why? Because there's not enough support being made on the right side right here. So price comes down to make that support. And then once we actually close bullish at that support, we continue back up bullish to retest the highs and eventually continue up further up bullish. That's usually what happens majority of the times if you guys notice. Gulag is not just anything. It's one specific play, and it's that play right there. Yeah, so if you guys are joining late here, if you guys looking at GJ, I'll highlight the areas where you can trade and not trade. Here, this area above here, you could trade in, you can get buys in this range to this target. It's just I'll prefer to get buys above here, so 137, 100. Okay, that's like my next day target. Buys were here were good, and pretty much in this range, you kind of just gotta stay out from where it is right now. Price tapped this resistance, and now it's in this little range from there till here. You kind of just gotta stay out in this range. So yeah, nice moves right here, and above there will be next. I'm just waiting now. It might not be this hourly candle. Might be a next hourly candle where we actually break above this level. But the 1 hour did close bullish, right? So obviously now we have a higher chance of continuing up here for a nice wick fill. This 1 hour candle is not my ideal hourly candle though. I would not enter buy off of this candle. But if this kind of had like a lower wick here and a bigger body, maybe I would have attempted another buy here. Maybe something like this. If it closed like this instead, I look for buys, but the buy is way too small and has big stops. I would not enter buys here, but you can expect something like this for a nice wick fill coming up for that wick and eventually tapping this resistance once it breaks that high. That'll be GJ, guys. Look at NU 15 minute. You can send me a chart, my brother. I don't really trade NU. I hate that. I hate NZD pairs. I don't know why. It's just so slow for me. NZD, USD, NZD CAD. I hate all those pairs. It's not for me. I mean, GJ did tap this level here, support here, and it closing bullish now. The 15 minute. So this could be the support that's going to be held for prices maybe drive up here, aka the 1 hour wick fill, right? Because these two candles that you see here, 1, 2, is just a two bearish candles for the hourly wick fill. Because price came back down, and then now it should drive back up to retest the highs. But I mean, yo, if you're looking at GG guys, please do not sell. Selling is very dangerous right here. Very, very dangerous. Big bull trend. Daily candle is bullish. 4 hours bullish. This is bullish. And if you're trying to sell, it's just like you can't try and catch a falling knife here on GG. You Jimmy, you still in buys? Jim's FX Jimbo. Jay, you still in buys?
Nah, I only took that one trade actually. I didn't even like go for a second entry. I was just chilling for today.
Yeah, it's kind of like a chill day. Yeah.
Buys buys were nice though. Cut like quick. What was it, like 20 pips? 20 pips
Yeah.
plus? Yeah, nice.
26 pips.
26, nice. Might call it a day though. Gonna get ready for work soon. Yeah. You trying to hop on Warzone later on after work?
Tonight, yeah, for sure.
Yeah. All right, bet.
You hopping off now?
Yeah.
Alright, bro. Catch
All
you,
right, bro.
catch you tonight or some shit. Oh man. Yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna hop off here because there's not much going on right here. At this point, this is just non-tradable for me. You tap that resistance. Now I'm just gonna create a range to maybe go up later on. So if you do go up later on, it might be at 10 a.m., maybe 11 next couple hours here. But I'm not gonna try. I'm not staying on streams for another 2 hours here. My day is kind of done here. Pretty happy with my profits today. But yeah, guys. GJ is still bullish. Daytime is still bullish. My next target. If you check my Instagram, mentioned it. Mentioned buyers yesterday. Listen up. Right here. Next target for me is gonna be 137, 148. So yeah, catch you guys tomorrow in the live streams. Hopefully you haven't had a great day today. Don't overtrade, don't over leverage. And your profits in blue, and your day in blue. And peace, guys.